TOIL, or time off in lieu, is a type of leave given for overtime in lieu of additional pay. This is commonly used for staff who are paid a fixed salary. To enable TOIL on your account, click the cog icon to access your account settings and scroll down to the Leave section. Here, you can tick the option Allow employees to accrue TOIL. To add to an employee's TOIL allowance, go to the Company tab and select Employees. Select the employee, then go to the Time Off in Lieu section using the menu on the left. To add on to an employee's TOIL allowance, click the blue plus button here. You can then enter the number of TOIL hours accrued and the date it was accrued on. There's also the option to add the location it was earned at, the leave year you'd like to add the hours to, and a comment. Once you've entered your information, click Add TOIL, and the employee's TOIL balance will be updated. When an employee requests leave, they will now have the option to request it from their regular leave allowance or their TOIL allowance.